Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna talk about a productivity tip, right, that I have applied in the last couple of weeks, and it just really helped me become more productive and help me get my work done faster. Okay, so I'm gonna give you this tip, apply it, and let me know down in the comments if you guys, if this helped you or not. Okay, so before we even get started, I want you guys to like the video. Please subscribe, comment something, like I said, after as well. But yeah, let's get into it. Anyways, so the productivity tip I have for you guys is to do the thing that is on your mind right away, okay? And I know it sounds simple and I know it sounds cliche, but think about it. Anytime you think of something, just do it. Because what I realized is that your mind gets clouded with a lot of things because you don't even know, but you are putting off a lot of things. And your mind gets clouded with, those things. And every time you put them off and you get a thought of it, it might, like, let's say I'm working and then I get a thought of another work I have to do, right? Like, that's just going to distract me from my current work. And the more you put stuff off, the more that's going to happen. So I did a thing where anything that came into my mind, I just did. I was like, oh, wait, I have to fill this form out. Boom. Oh, yeah, I had to, pay this guy. Done. I had to add him here. Done. Like, I don't even think, oh, I'm gonna do it, and later I'm gonna get to it today. No, if a task gets mentioned, it is going to get done. And just moving this way has made me 100 times more productive. Like I said, when I think of something, I just get to it right away, right? One of the best ways of also getting work done is being organized, right? So a good thing I like to do is just compile all the tasks that I ever have to do. I just write it all on my Asana. You guys can put it in your notes, any checklist app, any notes app, right? But what I do is I put it all on Asana, and once I put it on Asana, what happens is it organizes everything for me, right? And when I have a work block, I can just literally just go down the list. Oh, it says record a solo podcast, done. Oh, record YouTube video, done. Oh, send this guy the proposal, done. Invoice this client. Like, it makes it so much easier, and you can you will realize, like one other thing as well is you have to take the time out of your day to kind of write down everything you have to do, small and big, because just not having it on paper or not having it somewhere will make you forget things too. Okay, so that's a huge thing. So I use Asana to keep me organized, to make sure I don't forget things, and kind of use it as something. So whenever I go on Asana, I see a task, I'm like, oh, let me get to it. So that is my productivity tip for you guys today. It's a quick one, but I'm telling you guys, it is one of the most effective productivity tips out there. It is so simple, but I'm telling you, apply it and it will change your life. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, comment if this actually helped you, like this video, subscribe as well, and overall, hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later. Bye bye.